This watch has an esports fitness tracking mode, and I can't say those words with a straight face. So the watch that I have here is the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. It is a compact watch with a super lightweight body of only 31 grams. And seriously, if you pick it up, you will feel quite shocked at how lightweight it is. The GTS 4 Mini has a very simple look. It has one button on the right for you to control navigation or quickly launch up apps. The button can be rotated, but it's not used in any form of navigation. You will still need to swipe around if you want to get anywhere. Now, speaking about swiping, the watch, it has a 1.65-inch AMOLED screen, and it's a pretty good display in terms of its readability and brightness, so I wouldn't worry too much if you're working out in bright areas. You will still be able to see the screen without any problems. Now, this is a mini watch, so it's pretty small, coming in at about 42mm, and it looks kind of awkward on my hand, which kind of makes sense because I do have big hands. But the strap is not really great in the sense that it has a lot of friction. So sliding it through the loop is a bit tough, and if you have hairy arms like mine, well, expect some pain when it clips the hair on your hands. But the overall usage has been good. It is not as smooth when scrolling around like the other smartwatches. There are some shuttering when you're scrolling through the menu, but nothing that will affect the overall usage. Being as it is a fitness-focused watch, it has over 120 types of workout, and all of those features that you expect, like an SpO2 meter, heartbeat monitoring, sleep tracking, and the works. They all seem pretty accurate, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. I've been using it mainly for cycling, and it's nice that the details are quite in-depth, and it also shows the route as well as per kilometer tracking. But the one fitness tracking mode that I want to touch on is Esports Mode. Yes, I too went when I saw this fitness mode, but sadly, it is a wasted opportunity because it sounds cool, right? But it only tracks the stress levels and heart rate, which is kind of pointless because, of course, when you're playing a competitive match of Warzone or even Overwatch, then obviously your stress levels are going to skyrocket and your heart rate's going to go up. The thing is, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this information. Like, it would be cool if it can understand my daily patterns and help me fix that so I can become better during my gaming sessions. Or maybe even wearing the watch on my right hand and it's able to track my flicks and even my clicks to give me more details on my actions per minute. Or heck, even maybe the smallest thing, right? Like letting me know that it's time to stand up and stretch for a bit, allowing me to pause the tracking and swap over to a stand for 2 minutes and do some stretching mode. Like, there is so much that can be done in this mode, and it can even be its own dedicated mode away from the other fitness modes. But they didn't, which is quite a shame because I like the tracking when it comes to me cycling. I hope that that is something Amazfit will look at in the future because they have a really interesting technology here, but they're just not utilizing it properly. But aside from that, the battery life has been great. It's been about a week now and I still have about 40% of battery life. It comes with a magnetic charger which will get you to a full charge in about 2 hours. So overall, the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini is a good all-round watch for fitness tracking. It doesn't really change the formula, but it's another option for those of you who want a compact and super lightweight smartwatch for fitness tracking. In the future though, I really hope that they look into that esports mode because again, they have something really interesting there. And I really want to see it expand in the future. So guys, there you have it. That is the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. Again, it's a very simple watch, and as I've said it before, you've seen one, you've seen it all. This is basically the same amount of features that you will find in any other smartwatch. But let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And of course guys, don't forget to sub to the channel, hit that bell icon and share this video. And I'll see you in the next one.